Hi everyone, welcome to Architects. I'm represent Apex Ceramics. I'm Jack here. All right. Today we would like to explain more to our company, our backgrounds and what we do, and also our product. Mainly we focus on the big slab. So our big slab is actually you can use one slab to do many application. All right. So many application means you can use as a floor wall. All right. You also can use as a countertop. You also can apply as a dining table. All right. You can use as a dining table. Also, you can actually apply those fixed-in basin. You can use tiles to do that nowadays, right? Okay, next, I tried to introduce myself. I'm actually Jack here. My surname is Lee. I have been in this industry about 10 years, right? So majority knowledge on tiles and all those things is actually, I'm there lah, to serve everybody, all right? So, okay, next, company profile. We are actually under a Top Sarah group of company. Top Sarah is actually our main company. Top Sarah, later I'll go through on our history on Top Sarah. So we have Top Sarah, Apex Ceramics is our retail, and our own brand is Bellezza Ceramiche. I'm not sure anybody heard about Bellezza, but we have been supplied quite a few projects in the market lah, within this for 6 to 7 years. Okay, so this is what we do. So our mother company is Top Sarah. Top Sarah is mainly doing sourcing, all right, import and distribute. So sourcing means we have a very close relationship. How to say it? Okay, some people they will say that sourcing will be something like OEM manufacturing, okay, because our major product is from China, and we also do import from Thailand, Indonesia, Spain, and Vietnam. So major is from China. So what we do is some people they'll call us OEM manufacturing lah. Some people is call us importer. Okay, so doesn't matter. It's just that we try to let everybody know more on Top Sarah process. Okay, so we are tiles distribution for all the dealers. Dealers means all those showroom dealers, all those retail shop. All right, and then we do OEM. We OEM for some other brand, not only Bellezza, we also OEM for some other brand. And also we produce for projects, means we supply for projects. Projects means those big high-end, low-end, medium-end, anything, all right, as long as project. And then Apex, okay, next is Apex. Apex is more to like retail businesses. So retail means we have our own showroom. We have our own showroom. We have our own SIS partnership. SIS partnership means shop in shop. Means they already have existing showroom. All right. It's just that they use our product like Bellezza. They use our product to put in their showroom as a display. So it become one of our partnership. And then we have another one concept is actually boutique partnership. Boutique partnership means like we have a vendor from China. We use the original brand from China to cooperate, means a partnership with the local dealer, local retail shop. So this is what we call a boutique partnership. All right. Of course, retail showroom is our own one, it's under Apex, right? Okay, next. Also, this is we established at 1991, all right, 91. So we have been in this industry for more than 10 years, over 10 years. So we do import, we do start with import and then supply to dealer and then start with projects, small projects. Then after that, we do our own branding. And then now we also supply for OEM. So tiles importer, we are actually number one. We has been so many years already. So we can source all kind of products. We can source as long as the quantity is there, all right? And then our group of annual income is yearly, roughly is about 20 million, including everything. Then we also work together with OEM partnership in Malaysia, all right? And then our storage, we do have our own storage, our warehouse. We have a very huge warehouse in Klang, all right? And we also have one warehouse in Butterworth, all right, Northern. We also have another one warehouse is in KK, Kota Kinabalu, right? Okay, so we actually start with the trendsetter, means okay, what kind of tiles? Like currently, like last year, what they actually the trend for the tiles is terrazzo, all right, and cement. So now majority the trend has been come to a marble tiles. So we actually following the trend because up to date we have all the design. We have worked together with the Italy, Spain designer. We actually monitored their patterns, right? So we have the design, and normally we will actually work together with the factory to produce the tiles as a trendsetter. Okay, then we also sourcing. Like example, some tiles that probably maybe discontinue, all right, or maybe how to say it is special printing or special made. You can inquire us, all right, we can do the sourcing for you, or we can do customization for you, right? And we ship means what we do is we will do everything from 0 to 10. Means we will start with sourcing, got the patterns, do all those those lapping samples, all those things, submission, all done, right? Everything confirmed. Then we will put into the production. So the production out, we will do all the shipping, including ship from inland to from the sea to Malaysia, and out from the custom and CIDB, all those, because we have all the documents ready. We have been in the market for so long, so we have everything in covered, right? So end of the day, we supply through like one shot by container, or maybe by by delivery schedule given projects. Okay, so this is our retail services lah. Okay, so we set up a very cozy, very comfortable showroom. We have all the mock-ups, display for all those house. Then customer can actually anytime come to our showroom here and choose what they want, see what they like, just display it. All right, you can just choose, and we have all the samples there. All right, so design, we also provide the 3D rendering design, and then we also actually give a quotation after everything has been chosen, right? Then only we go for the supply. Of course, we have our own transportation, right? Okay, so this is actually our project portfolio, just for sharing lah, huh? So project portfolio, we have residential, commercial, industrial, retail, F&B, hotels. Okay, so first we do supply for EcoWorlds, right? So EcoWorlds, this is a project that we have been supplied. Of course, a certain one is still ongoing, so we didn't actually include in. So this is actually completed one, right? And then Hayton from Malacca. So we also supply their hotels, their residential. Okay, LBS, we also supply. Sam Dhabi also we supply for one of their commercial mall, right, in Melawati. And then SB Satir, we also supply for their hotel in Penang. Okay, so we also supply for Sunway. So of course, again, Sunway, we have a few more projects that's ongoing that we didn't actually include in lah, because this is more to like complete project. And then Sunrise, okay. Then this is Tamin Group, SC-Land, Paramount. Okay, come to F&B, retail F&B. We supply most of the outlet retail chain store like Brands Outlet, Pardini, Jaya Grocer, and then Hai Di Lao, Din Tai Fung, Canton Eye, all those. Okay, so this is all the brands that we supply. And hotels, yes, W Hotel, we supply for the common area, not the actual unit. Actual unit is using the natural stone, the real marble stone. So we only supply for the walkway, the common area walkway. Chorus Hotel, okay. Then recently, actually, we are supplying for 4 Point Hotel, but the one not complete yet, so that's why we didn't include inside. Okay, so okay, Bellezza is our in-house brand, is our own brand, so we put it in Bellezza. So we have our retail store over here. Those orange color is actually our own retail store. So we have throughout the whole Malaysia, You see Alostar, Butterworth, KL, PJ, and then KK. Then the green color one is our shop in shop, means we have a partnership with the dealer. So this is what we go on. Okay, so our brand, our size is here. We have majority all the variation of size, all right? And also you can see we have small, like 10, 20, 30, 30, 30, 60, right? Then the medium one, common size will be 60, 60 or 80, 80. Then we also have 60,000 to 90, 90. Then the bigger size is what we are going to focus on these architects is actually the big slab, 90, 180 until 120 by 260. Still, this is what the product, the new product that we're going to launch, we're going to present to everybody for this architect. Okay, all right. So this is our variety for the tiles that we have, right? We call it printing lah. So sandstone design, marble design, wood design, patchwork, terrazzo, cement, fabric design. Most of the design we have, and we have all the surface. We have polish, we have glaze polish, we have matte, we have satin matte, we have rough surface, we have lapato surface. Any surface also we have, right? So might as well everybody can get more information and come and visit us in our booth, and then if possible can drop by our showroom to have a look. Okay, this is our technical. So technical spec, of course, majority is quite here and there lah. Okay, so we have followed the standard MS-ISO, and then we also have we also have our own standard. So you can see here, actually our standard is more strengthened than the MS-ISO standard, right? So that means our QA QC, we have a team there. We can do all the QA QC before they ship into Malaysia. Right? So because we are very concerned about the quality before we supply. Okay. So this is the technical porcelain, right? This is the ceramic. Okay, so we are talking about, because we are focused on the big slab. So this is the big slab that we are going to talk on it, to focus on it for this section. Okay, big slab, we are actually porcelain body, of course, all right? The thickness, we have 9 mm and 12 mm. Because certain they want to use a thinner tiles, right, to put on the like countertop, or maybe they can use at the basin there, the built-in basin. Okay, because if too thick, then normally we will recommend for the floor usage for the floor, and then the wall also you can use for the thinner one like 9 mm, because the weight and everything and the installation method. Okay, so we have polish, all right, and then marble design. Of course, the marble design, later I'll show you some of the marble design. We have a few, random, continuous vein, all those. Okay, and then we can apply on indoor, outdoor. Okay, so as I said, countertop, furniture, certain furniture, yes, you can use as a furniture, as what I said is, like carpentry. Carpentry, sometimes they want to use the lamination. Some people, they want to do the sliding door, because lamination sometimes for some overtime they will actually delaminate or howsoever. So you can use this to replace. Okay, so this is what the big slab we have. This is continuous vein. This is 1002 by 2004 mm size. So it can actually, for your example, like your office, the backdrop of your counter, you can use 4 pieces to complete the whole thing. It looks very, very grand with continuous. Because some people, they prefer marble is because continuous. So now actually tiles also, they can do that. They can do the printing to be continuous, right? Okay, so this is our choices, all right, for 1002 by 2004. We have, of course, white is very, very common, all right? Everybody like white. Then we have gray, we have blue, we have green. So the variety is there, all right? The variety is there. And then this is the image that I want to show what we say about the continuous and random. You can see from the right-hand side, the 4 pieces of the tiles is actually the variation of the color tiles. All right, you can see the variation is under V4. I'm not sure everybody understand about V4. So V4 is actually, the variation is very, very random, right? Because of the color pigment mixture, right? Then after that, you can see this is actually not totally continuous vein, because you can see some cut off area. Of course, tiles and marble, that is still slightly different, is because tiles you still need to install with a gap, certain gap. Okay, marble you can do butt joint, but tiles no butt joint. Okay, to be upfront, tiles cannot butt joint. Okay, so you can see this is a white color continuous vein. So you see the middle, the big picture, right? You can see the vein from the top to the bottom. It's all continuous. It's all joint the printing vein. So this one actually, if anyone that interested can come to our showroom, we have the we have the installation done in our showroom floor tiles. All right, we use this to install, so you can see all the vein is continuous. Okay, so this is smaller size, 900 by 1008. Also is under 4 variation. So we have, as I said, white color is the most common one. So white color choices, we will have a few more pattern, because for white color, they have different shade, like, the Carrara, Volacas, Caracata, all those marble, what you call marble name, the name for the marble. Okay, so we also using this to differentiate. Okay, so we have dark gray, we have again the gray color. Okay, so benefit of big slab tiles, all right, is actually large size and strong, durable. All right, of course, some people, they will think, oh, it's so big piece, will it easy to be broken, broken or anything, it will break. But actually, no, the strength is still there. The strength is still there. And then how you said, you can save your area, because if you use the smaller tiles, right, you will see a lot of groove line in your house. So this is actually what we said, safe and clean, right? Aesthetic, the whole design will be very aesthetic, right? Because less rain, because tiles, you still need gaps to fill it in for the tiles, because the water absorption, the technical part, the water absorption is very, very, very little. So if you don't leave a gap, you will have some, after work issue, right? So you still need a gap. So this one, you will lesser the gap, and you will actually easy the work lah. I can say you can save a lot of works, because one piece you can install a very big area already. So instead of, like, small piece, you have to install a lot. Okay. Okay, so wall application, right? So wall application, there's a few method. You see, like a kitchen wall, bathroom wall, feature wall. Actually, wall, they have a few method. They have straight away laid with adhesive. Another one is actually wall hanging method, right? Okay, so this is the floor method. Of course, floor method, you won't be hanging method, like only one method that is actually, screwed with the adhesive, installed with the adhesive, proper adhesive. Okay, you have to use a proper adhesive. Okay, so this is the countertop. Countertop, of course, a lot of people will ask, hey, countertop, but your side is actually, because this is glazed porcelain. So of course, the side will be, you'll see the body color. You won't have the marble vein. So there's a few method to do it. All right, either because now they have this, stainless steel edges to cover up the edges. So this is one of the method lah. So if let's say you all want to go for more, because this one we have a limitation on the time. So if you all will go more understand on the products and how it works, maybe you can drop us a message, or you can drop us an inquiry. We will get somebody to follow up with you, right? Okay, so you see, as I said, countertop, the tabletop, okay, the dining table, and the furniture. You can see from here the picture, right? Okay, so this is the random and the continuous, what I said just now. So random is mean you won't have the continuous from the left hand side. It will be like installed randomly. You won't have the continuous one. So the right hand side is actually a continuous vein. You can see every pieces is actually joined. Every pieces is joined together, right? Okay, so this is the profile. I won't go through too much, all right, for the profile. This one we can go further on the profile when we go on get the inquiry from everybody lah. Thanks. Okay, so this is the logistic side. So big slab, a lot of people said handling banyak issue, like a lot of problem. So okay, this is what we want to show. Handling side, of course, the packaging will be under a pallet form or A1 panel. A1 panel means you actually will lay like that, right? Lie down on the A1 panel, and it will reach to the side lah. Very easy for carrying, because flat one, right? Sometimes when you want to carry up a bit difficult, heavy. Okay, so of course one big slab you need at least 2 person to carry. You cannot 1 person, because 1 person cannot carry for one big slab, even 900 by 1008. Okay, and then until the side, right, you need to get something to put at the bottom before you put the tiles on the floor, because to protect the chipping issue. Okay, so this is the clean method. Clean method is normal as the normal tiles lah. Normal tile cleaning method. Don't use acid. Okay, don't use concentrate acid. Don't use those very strong acidic detergent. Okay, just use normal clean water or normal those detergent will do, right? And then you have to use a correct adhesive, right? Correct adhesive for porcelain, because porcelain body, you have to understand, porcelain body you need to use at least C1. Okay, C1 technical spec. Then the tools for the installation. All right. Okay. So everyone, thank you everyone. This is what my presentation here. So if let's say you have any inquiry, or more further information, want to talk to us, maybe you can drop us a message, okay, or you can send us an inquiry. And anything you can clear at the bottom. For more information, you can drop to our architects booth and have a look on our products. Thank you very much.